Thinking about buying a Berkey water filter? You're not alone. Every month, thousands of people search for answers about Berkey systems. What does Berkey filter? Which model should I buy? Why are there so many Berkey websites? And is a Berkey actually worth the investment? In this video, I'll answer all of those questions and more so you can make the right decision for your family. Let's get started.
A Berkey is a gravity-fed water filtration system designed to provide clean drinking water without requiring electricity, plumbing, water pressure, or professional installation. In fact, one of the things that makes Berkey unique is that it operates entirely using gravity. You simply pour water into the upper chamber. The water passes through the filtration elements. Filtered water collects in the lower chamber where it's ready to drink. No electricity, no pumps, no pressure, no complicated installation. If the power goes out, a Berkey still works. If you're off-grid, a Berkey still works. If you're camping or traveling, a Berkey still works. For many people, that's one of the biggest advantages of choosing a gravity-fed water filtration system.
Water is poured into the upper chamber. Gravity pulls the water through the filtration elements. As the water moves through the filters, unwanted contaminants are reduced. The filtered water then collects in the lower chamber. That's it. There are no pumps, no electrical components, no complicated installation process. At the heart of every Berkey system are the black Berkey filtration elements. These filtration elements are designed to address more than 200 contaminants commonly found in tap water and other freshwater sources. According to Berkey, the black Berkey elements are specially formulated using a proprietary blend of filtration media and are backed by independent third-party testing. They are designed to reduce a broad range of contaminants, including chlorine, heavy metals, pesticides, herbicides, pharmaceuticals, volatile organic compounds, sediment, unwanted tastes, and odors. For many families, improving confidence in their drinking water is the primary reason they purchase a Berkey system. Many people worry that filtration systems remove everything from water. Berkey is designed to reduce unwanted contaminants while allowing beneficial minerals to remain in the water. For many families, it's about finding a balance between cleaner water and maintaining naturally occurring minerals. One of the biggest advantages of Berkey systems is filter longevity. Many traditional water filters require frequent replacement. Berkey filters are designed to last for thousands of gallons before replacement is needed. That can significantly reduce the long-term cost of ownership compared to many traditional filters. This is probably the question I get asked more than any other. The first thing to understand is that every Berkey system uses the same black Berkey filtration elements and the same filtration technology. The water quality is the same across the entire Berkey lineup. The real difference comes down to size. Choose your Berkey based on the number of people you're serving and how much water your household uses. For most families, the Big Berkey or Royal Berkey tends to be the sweet spot. If you're unsure where to start, those are usually the models I recommend first. One of the reasons Berkey has become so popular is its versatility. Many Berkey owners use it with private well water. Others use it as part of a rainwater collection strategy. Outdoor enthusiasts also appreciate its ability to help filter water from alternative water sources when traditional drinking water may not be available. No matter what water source you're using, it's important to follow manufacturer guidelines and proper filtration practices. One of the most common questions buyers ask is how Berkey compares to Brita and ZeroWater. The reality is that these products are designed for different purposes. Brita focuses on convenience. ZeroWater focuses heavily on TDS reduction. Berkey focuses on high-capacity, gravity-fed filtration for use at home, while traveling, during emergencies, or off-grid. The best choice depends on your specific goals and how you plan to use the system. If you've spent any time researching Berkey online, you've probably noticed there are many websites selling Berkey products. That often creates confusion for buyers. The reason is actually pretty simple. Berkey products are sold through a network of distributors and dealers. The important thing is finding a trusted source that offers authentic products, customer support, replacement filters, and long-term assistance after the purchase. Before you purchase a Berkey, there's one important topic we need to talk about: counterfeit Berkey products.
As Berkey has grown in popularity, counterfeit filters, replacement parts, and even complete systems have started appearing online. If a Berkey product seems dramatically cheaper than everywhere else, that's usually a red flag. Authentic products are built to specific standards, tested for performance, and backed by a warranty. Counterfeit products often are not. When it comes to something as important as your drinking water, it's worth making sure you're getting the real thing. When people ask me where they should purchase a Berkey, I recommend USA Berkey Filters. They are one of the most trusted distributors of Berkey water filtration systems in the United States. They carry complete systems, replacement filters, parts, and accessories. What I appreciate most is that they focus on helping customers choose the right system rather than simply making a sale. When you're investing in something as important as your family's drinking water, having a trusted source matters. That's why USA Berkey Filters is the company I recommend. Ultimately, whether Berkey is worth it depends on your goals. If you're looking for a portable water filtration system that doesn't require electricity or plumbing, Berkey offers a compelling solution. If you want something that can be used at home, during travel, in an RV, at a cabin, or during emergencies, Berkey offers flexibility that many other systems cannot match. For many families, the peace of mind that comes from having access to filtered drinking water makes the investment worthwhile. After years of customer use and countless reviews, it's easy to see why Berkey has built such a loyal following. Berkey offers a unique combination of portability, simplicity, filtration capability, and long-term value. If you're considering a Berkey, focus on choosing the right size for your household and purchasing from a trusted source that can support you after the sale. Personally, I recommend USA Berkey Filters. If you'd like to learn more, compare models, or see current pricing, you'll find a link in the description below. One final note. This video is sponsored by USA Berkey Filters, and if you choose to purchase through the link below, I may receive a commission at no additional cost to you. That said, my goal is to help you determine whether a Berkey is the right fit for your needs and provide the information you need to make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.